Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Jhuxtello iTech channel. It's Jesther here, and today we have a rather serious topic to discuss. The 2023 West African Senior School Certificate Examination, WASSCE, took an unexpected turn as cases of malpractices surfaced. The West African Examination Council, WAEC, has released shocking details about the involvement of certain teachers in aiding students during the exams. Let's dive into the details. Teachers arrested for assisting students in 2023 WASSCE. The management of WAEC, in collaboration with the National Intelligence Bureau and the Ghana Police Service, took extensive measures to monitor and ensure the integrity of the 2023 WASSCE. Despite their efforts, some schools devised grand schemes for cheating. WAEC reported various irregularities during the examination. Foreign materials: candidates were caught with prepared notes, textbooks, and torn pages from textbooks in examination halls. Snapshots of question papers: some invigilators circulated question papers on social media platforms, leading to arrests at Lawrence SHS, Sunyani, Mountain High SHS, Agona Ashanti, and Adujayamfi SHS, Agona Ashanti. Smuggling of electronic gadgets: candidates were caught with mobile phones and smartwatches during exams. Impersonation/insertion of scripts: attempts to write exams for others, with arrests at Only Believe SHS, Kukarantamai, and Ideal College, La Paz campus. Syndicate cheating: malpractice within examination halls, including writing solutions on whiteboards and depositing solutions at urinals. Locking of school gates: some schools prevented monitors from gaining access, like at Oto Memorial SHS, Bibiani. There are also allegations of question leakage. WAEC has identified rogue websites and social media handles but emphasizes the difference between legitimate exam processes and true question leakage. WAEC assures stakeholders of its commitment to maintaining exam integrity. The Council is monitoring social media platforms for any potential leaks and urges the public to avoid causing unnecessary anxiety. WAEC expresses gratitude for those who reported malpractices and acknowledges the collaboration with the Ghana Police Service and National Intelligence Bureau. The call to eradicate exam malpractice is a shared responsibility. In conclusion, the future of our country is at stake. Those found culpable in these malpractices will face disciplinary action. We must all work together to safeguard the integrity of our education system. Thanks for joining me today on Jhuxtello iTech. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more tech-related updates. And until next time, this is Jesther, signing off. Take care.